Welcome back to my channel where we talk about all things frugality, finance, and living your best life on a budget. Did you know that just a few simple items could save you thousands of dollars every single year? It's true. And today, I'm revealing 7 game-changing items that have completely transformed my finances and helped me become more financially secure. Stick around to find out how you too can live below your means without sacrificing comfort. Grab a beverage, sit back and relax. And hey, if you're enjoying this video so far, hook me up with a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps my channel grow. Let's get going. Okay, let's kick things off with a bang. The garage fridge. This beauty right here, this 30-year-old KitchenAid, was a gift from the heavens. My brother was getting rid of it because the ice maker water line wasn't working, and well, one man's trash is another man's treasure. Am I right? Let me tell you, the day we brought home this garage fridge, our lives changed. Suddenly, we had this enormous amount of extra space to store everything. We could buy in bulk when things were on sale, and I swear, our food waste went down to almost zero. Remember that time when you bought a giant tub of yogurt because it was on sale, but then your kids refused to eat it after 2 spoonfuls? Yeah, we've all been there. But with a garage fridge, you can say goodbye to that heart-sinking feeling of tossing out perfectly good food. It's like having a secret weapon against food waste. Now I know what you might be thinking. Christine, a second fridge? Isn't that going to spike my electricity bill? And listen, that's a valid concern. But here's the thing. Older fridges, like this KitchenAid workhorse, are actually more energy efficient than you might think. Plus, we keep it unplugged for a good portion of the year because, Michigan winters. We just treat it like a giant cooler during those colder months. But honestly, even if it did use a bit more electricity, the amount of money we save on groceries by not throwing out food more than makes up for it. Trust me, the garage fridge is a game changer, and I'm telling you, it's going to revolutionize the way you grocery shop and think about food storage. Okay, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, food, or more specifically, how to spend less on it. I'm feeding a family of 6 on a budget, and let me tell you, it's possible, people. My secret weapon? Excess food. And no, I don't mean leftovers, although those are great too. I'm talking about buying things in bulk when they're on sale, stocking up our deep freezer and utilizing that amazing garage fridge we just talked about. You guys, my grocery bill for our family of 6 has been hovering around $400 a month for years now, and I'm not talking about clipping coupons until my fingers bleed. I'm talking about being strategic, planning ahead, and always knowing what's on sale. Here's the thing. Grocery stores are in the business of making money, and they do that by getting you to buy things you didn't plan on buying. But you can outsmart the system. Before you even step foot in the store, make a meal plan for the week, check the weekly ads, and build your list around what's on sale. And don't be afraid to buy in bulk, especially when it comes to things like meat, frozen fruits and veggies, or pantry staples. That's where the garage fridge and a deep freezer become your best friends. You can stock up when prices are low and then pat yourself on the back when those items are twice the price a few weeks later. Trust me, mastering the art of excess food is a game changer for your budget. Okay, this one might seem a little out there, but hear me out. A high-quality mattress is not just about getting a good night's sleep. It's about saving money in the long run. I know, mattresses can be expensive, but consider it an investment in your health and well-being, and your wallet. Think about it. When you're constantly tossing and turning all night, waking up with aches and pains, or just feeling generally exhausted, how productive are you really going to be? How's your mood? Are you more likely to reach for that second cup of coffee or that sugary snack for a quick energy boost? Now, imagine waking up feeling refreshed, energized, and pain-free. You're more likely to be productive, make healthier choices, and overall just feel better about life. And when you feel your best, you're less likely to need expensive doctor's visits, pain medications, or even therapy sessions for sleep deprivation. Investing in a high-quality mattress that provides proper support and comfort can truly be life-changing. Plus, a good mattress will last you for years, even a decade or more, if you take care of it. So, while that initial price tag might seem daunting, divide it by the number of nights you'll be sleeping on it, and suddenly, it becomes a much more manageable expense. Trust me on this one. Your body and your bank account will thank you. All right, let's move on to the kitchen where the magic happens. And by magic, I mean the money-saving, soul-soothing magic of baking with a sourdough starter. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Sourdough? That sounds complicated and time-consuming. And listen, I get it. Baking bread can seem intimidating, but trust me, sourdough is surprisingly simple once you get the hang of it. Plus, the satisfaction of pulling a loaf of fresh homemade bread out of the oven, there's nothing quite like it. And the best part? It's incredibly budget-friendly. Think about how much you spend on bread every week at the grocery store. Now, imagine being able to make your own for a fraction of the cost. All you need is flour, water, and a little bit of patience to get your starter going. Once you have that, the possibilities are endless. Loaves of bread, pizza dough, dinner rolls, cinnamon rolls, English muffins, bagels. You name it, you can probably make it with your trusty sourdough starter. Plus, there's just something so satisfying about the entire process. It's like having this little pet that you feed and care for, and in return, it rewards you with the most delicious and inexpensive bread you've ever tasted. So ditch the store-bought bread and embrace the magic of sourdough. Your wallet and your taste buds will thank you. Alright, let's talk about laundry, because who doesn't love a good laundry hack? This one is so simple yet so effective, the humble drying rack. Now, I know what you're thinking. Christine, a drying rack? That's so old school, and you know what? You're right. But sometimes the old school methods are the best, especially when it comes to saving money and being a little kinder to our planet. Think about it. How often do you run your dryer every week? How much energy do you think that's using? And how much is it costing you on your electricity bill? Now imagine cutting back on dryer usage by even half. That's money back in your pocket and less strain on your energy bill. Plus, using a drying rack is gentler on your clothes, which means they'll last longer. No more shrinking, fading, or those dreaded dryer-induced wrinkles. I'm not saying you have to ditch the dryer completely, but incorporating a drying rack into your laundry routine, even for just a few loads a week, can make a surprising difference in your energy consumption and your budget. Alright, let's talk about something we all know and love, or maybe love to hate sometimes. Our smartphones. Now I know what you're thinking. Christine, smartphones are expensive. How are they saving me money? And you're right, smartphones themselves can be a bit of an investment, but hear me out. Your smartphone can be a powerful tool for saving money if you know how to use it to your advantage. Think about all the apps you have at your fingertips. Budgeting apps, coupon apps, cashback apps, and of course, those tempting fast food apps. Yes, you heard me right. Even fast food apps can save you money if you use them strategically. For example, the McDonald's app offers daily deals like a free medium French fry with any purchase or a buy one, get one free McChicken. The Chick-fil-A app has a rewards program where you earn points for every purchase, which you can then redeem for free food. Even Starbucks has a rewards program that gives you free drinks and discounts. The key is to use these apps strategically. Don't let them tempt you into spending more than you normally would. Instead, use them to get a little something extra for the money you're already spending. Okay, this last one is near and dear to my heart, and it's something I've been passionate about for years. The mighty library card. You guys, I'm a huge advocate for libraries, and for good reason. They're like these incredible community centers filled with endless possibilities, and the best part? They're free. A library card is your ticket to a world of free entertainment and education. You can borrow books, audiobooks, magazines, and even movies without spending a dime. Think about how much money you spend on books or streaming services every month. A library card can help you cut back on those expenses significantly. But it's not just about entertainment. Libraries also offer a wealth of resources for learning and personal growth. You can take free classes, attend workshops, access computers and the internet, and even get help with your resume or job searching. In today's digital age, it's easy to forget about the simple pleasures and resources that libraries offer. But trust me, a library card is a valuable asset that can enrich your life and save you money in countless ways. So if you haven't already, head down to your local library and sign up for a card. You won't regret it. Well, there you have it, my friends. 7 game-changing items that can save you thousands of dollars. I hope you remember that every little bit counts when it comes to saving money. Especially when you add up all of these tips together, the savings can be astronomical. That's what I'm all about. Helping you live your best life with as little money leaving your pockets as possible. Which was your favorite tip in this list of all the things that I own that save me money? What are some things that you have that save you a ton of money that I didn't share in today's video? Let us know down in the comments. Until next time, keep saving and living your best life.